Hi, my name is Joe Corrado. Today my lesson will be about photosynthesis and the process that involves photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to change carbon dioxide and water into sugar using sunlight. This sugar is also known as glucose. It is the plant's food, and this process gives us oxygen. Why is photosynthesis important? Why are plants important? The process that plants use as photosynthesis is what helps keep human beings and other living organisms alive in the world and helps us function every day. Without oxygen, there is no life. So the objective that I will be doing today, my students will be able to explain why a plant needs photosynthesis, and the students will also be able to describe the process of photosynthesis. In my class, today is not the first day we have described photosynthesis that we have been learning about. The day before, we were working on a project on what a plant looks like, putting the plant parts together, which I was showing a little bit. So as we were working on the project, we were using scissors, glue sticks, and other materials in the classroom. What I did with my students before I had them start the project, I modeled them the issue of safety using the scissors. When students are walking with scissors the incorrect way, this right here can help them hurt themselves or someone else. So what I modeled for them, instead of holding it like this, I hold it like this so the point does not stick out and they do not harm them or anyone else in the classroom. So in my classroom, I have 3 to 4 learning disabled children who are learning disabled, and the rest are general education students. So with my special education students, I meet the accommodations that are on their IEP. And some of their accommodations they need are visuals or hands-on activities, which we are doing today in the class yesterday. So I will be showing a video that is playing right now about photosynthesis. So this video is describing the process of photosynthesis. Everybody clear out, I'm about to spread out. I'm a plan, but I ain't playing, cause now is when the sun's out. And you know when it's bright, we get into this. Yeah, here is the part when we start photosynthesis. First we take some water, add a little CO2, and we mix it with some energy. We gonna show you what to do. But where do we get all the energy from? If you look up to the sky, we gonna show you how to find some. Plants get it all from the earth's sunlight. So far this photosynthesis thing is tight, and now we mix it like water and CO2. And if we get this thing right, then we about to get some food. And you know it's in the form of glucose. And I know I sound smart and I ain't trying to boast. See what I'm doing right here is called photosynthesis. Yeah, this song is original. Ain't nobody written this. Started with the sunlight, added CO2. What it do? Oxygen and glucose. I guess that's cool. Now we put in oxygen. Okay, so that was part of the video that I was going to show. Obviously during the classroom time, I would show the whole video to the students so they understand the process of photosynthesis and give them a little interest in the activity that we're going to be doing today. So what we did for the project, which I will show you right now. So this is the picture that I was showing the students. So the students had all these different parts without the labels on them, without the words, and they had to put them together using the scissors and glue sticks. They had to cut them out and paste them on a piece of paper and glue them together. So what we did, so we were reviewing the project today about what they have to do, and then from learning about photosynthesis, they would have to paste the words or label each part of what the process of photosynthesis is. So we have with the sun, we have the energy, the sunlight. We have carbon dioxide coming in that we breathe out as humans, that the plants take in, and use the chlorophyll. Oxygen is released, and glucose is formed. The sugar is the glucose. Remember that. So after the project, we'll be reading a passage. It is called "A Tree is Like a Hungry Kid" by Mickey Saddle. This is a 2-page reading article that I would pull my students for the individual practice, where they will read, they will annotate and highlight, and they will answer these questions together as a group. They have multiple choice questions and short answer questions as well. After we read the passage and label the project, I'll take my students aside where they will have to write their exit ticket. Their assessment today, their exit ticket, will be to write a paragraph
describing the process of photosynthesis. So on here, they'll be writing a paragraph, and I'll assist as needed. So their assessment today, as they need to write the paragraph, I will be assisting them in helping them with using this assistive technology, or helping with the reading and writing if they need it. And that is my lesson. So I will collect it and grade it so I can assess them and go over them with what they need to work on the next day. And that is my lesson for today. Have a great day.